Hey friends, if you wish to find and connect to hidden Wi-Fi networks on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now there are very long procedures and I'll tell you the best way to do it. There's an application called Net Surveyor and its free version is sufficient, so I will suggest this. Okay, wait. Okay, we will go to this one Net Surveyor and we will download it from either TechSpot or Softpedia because the website doesn't exist now, and I have already installed it on my system and I have opened it. The best part about Net Surveyor is that it shows all networks that you were ever connected to, that you barely have a signal of, and so on. Okay, so I remember all of these, right? These are older networks that I was once connected to, and they may be hidden, and if they're hidden then the radio type will mention the same here, but you will be able to view them and maybe even connect to them. You can also check more information about them, and this can be very helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.